to find out.
Full disclaimer, everyone, before the video starts, I want to say, I tried recording some gameplay already, but like the numpty that I am, I did not sort out my mic audio, so I couldn't use any of it, because you guys could not hear me whatsoever. But everything else was okay, I just ruined everything else. Which turned out to just to be me speaking.
Oh, no, what? Yeah, I know the energy drink.
Monster.
Yeah.
So why were you saying it's poop?
I don't know.
Is it poop?
Is it poop?
I don't think it is, Daphne, you know?
Alright, I'll call dibs on a hobo fair.
I want to have my babe, but I have two babes, so I'm going to put Eni in my mouth.
Hey!
Who's a better?
I'd better at least be one of them.
I don't.
If I could aim, this would really help right now. Oh dear. Oh no, it's Master Obi-Wan.
Oh, I just saw someone fly across the room. I'm going to sit up here and hope for the best.
Woohoo!
I've got to find Obi-Wan because I'm supposed to really...
Fly away! Fly! Oh no! Oh no! I'm not.
Well, just come over here. Oh, that is disgusting.
Oh no! Master Obi-Wan's here after me. Oh my god!
Someone's lagging. Someone's lagging. Whatever.
Okay, that was laggy. So I got Obi-Wan. Run! I ain't taking on that. As much as I fight for you, I ain't taking on that. Bye bye. Bye.
Don't fight for me. You just ran away.
Exactly. I ain't taking on that. No, that's my kill. You can't just. Oh dear. Oh dear. No, I will live. Let me out. 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 Hey, Leia. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, I'm dead. Ben, come back! Come back! I need your loyalty and support! I need you to sacrifice for me!
That Jedi is skywalking over the competition.
I need you to make I need you to make a sacrifice for the OG Hobo Fair.
No, because I'm dead already.
No, I'm here with.
I've got another bloody phone call.
Did you just drop an F-bomb? Did you just drop an F-bomb? Oh, there goes Daphne. Oh, there goes me.
See you later, Obi. Die. Yes, I got Obi. That
moment when he kills his favourite character.
He's a hobo. I got him!
No, that's Hobo Fair. Oh no! No! Oh, I'm not gonna get back up in time. I'm not gonna get back up in time. Oh no.
Gonna king over.
Oh no. I made it! No! I No!
Of course it's a bloody Heineken. What else would it be? A Budweiser? No, thanks.
That must be Guinness.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what is that? Did you just hear that?
John, come here, John.
Oh no there.
Hello there.
And none of my emails are fucking working.
None of mine are working either. There we go.
No, none of mine are working.
There we go. My boy Kenobi said that hello there.
Hey look, I see them! Luke just flung them and ran away. I'm coming up behind.
I'm ending myself, literally.
Do it! Do it! Oh no, I made a great mistake, but it was worth it. I made a great mistake, but it was worth it!
You made a great mistake, but it was worth it.
It was worth it.
Oh, I just fell off the edge.
I just see a green outline dropping off the map as I spawn, and it's like, oh dear. Hello, Mr. Moore. Hello.
I had some lamb stew in it. Sounds like
We got him. We got him.
How many arms does Grievous need?
Come on, Jordan, let's go get her.
Where's the lamb sauce? Oh no, wait. Oh, I'm so dead. Another grave mistake from the eyes of the Jedi. Wait, I'm coming. Don't let him get you. I got him.
Palpy, go away.
Got him. Let's go. Let's get Palpy. Where's Palpy? Where's little Palpatine?
What do you mean, Palpy?
threw Palpy across the room, mate. Palpy's gone.
Oh, he's up there.
He's up there with you, chasing you, mate. What are you on?
Me.
Oh no!
What?
Revenge of the Sith! The Revenge of the Sith battle! It's the music! It's gonna get me copyright striked! I love it, but it's gonna get me copyright striked!
See you later.
Do you just take my Palpy kill? That's espresso depresso.
Grievous need?
No! I want to kill him! Oh no! No! Anakin does not get beaten by the lag. Leave her alone! Get off! No!
Literally, Darth Maul was standing still. I would have bloody force pushed him. Oh, he didn't move. Yeah, I think.
Oh look! Palpy's here to say hello! Oh no, Grievous has decided, nope, I'm coming to get you. Help!
Grievous, come here.
No, we were winning! Why'd you leave? I just sent Grievous off the edge! I just pranked Grievous into ledging himself! Oh no, I just got ledged for. Oh, limit! Oh my! I ledged Palpy! I just ledged Palpy's Han Solo. That's Han Solo with the shoulder charge. Did you just yeet Grievous off the edge again? There goes Grievous for the 100th time.
Go get Palpy off me. Go get Palpy off me.
I can't.
No.
Oh no, I'm dead.
I just saved both of your line and you're saying no to help.
You just saved you just saved my life? Did you just see how I was just literally murdered by bloody Kylo and Darth Vader? Jesus, you call that
Are
saving?
you sure that was kind of...
Jump off.
Yes, that was Kylo. I saw the cross guard lightsaber.
As Obi-Wan Kenobi proved once more, why try?
That moment when Ben gets the final kill, he's so proud of himself. Alright, we're in a fresh lobby and we're playing Clone Troopers, so we're gonna wait it out. Unless literally the entire lobby leaves and nothing happens, then we can't.
So,
And I'll be very upset.
what we Where are you? There.
I'm waddling to command post A, hoping I get there in time to. Oh no, is this command? Yeah, this is command. Command post A, hoping I can get there to get some pointies. On the left. Come on, Ben. Together now. On the left. I see some red dots. Let's go blast some clankers.
For the Republic!
Sniper! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, there you go, got him.
I was gonna find the highest
Oh dear. Okay, I did not die on purpose there. I did not purposefully die that quick. Are you trying to elevate yourself to the high ground?
Yeah.
High ground! Sorry. Yeah, there's not. There's. I don't know if there's any good spots or not for sniping. This is my first time playing Felicia.
That looks alright, actually.
I mean, it's possible. I mean, Camino obviously has some really great places. Come on!
Oh, this will work.
Okay, we just caused our legs to glitch out as we climbed out the map. Well, not actually. Oh no, I got flung off! Finish him, Ben. Finish him. I hear a droid near us. Oh look. I just watched him fling back after I sniped him.
Woohoo!
We got a runner! Oh, I didn't get him. Alright, people. It's just me now. Me and me alone. It's time to, clone commando it.
Destroy our ship, can we?
It's the clone commandos are gonna get so nerfed. I know they've already been nerfed, but I've been playing them a bit already, and they just absolutely decimate. And oh my god. Okay, all my textures haven't rendered in. That's amazing. Yeah, they just the Clone Commandos just absolutely destroy. From what I've seen.
Freaking out about that. Right, who have you gone as?
Clone Commando, if you can do the same, we're going to double team.
Go and get out of there. A fight.
Oh, okay. Spawning on a Clone Commando. Let's do it. Let's double team this. Let's do it. There's another Clone Commando here. We're gonna hold the hallway. That's it. Armor buff is up, lads. And I've just been brutally killed. I was not paying attention to my health whatsoever. Oh, well, although shotguns are lethal, unless you hit him, you're not gonna be doing much. Uh-oh, GBS. Oh, we just made two very bad mistakes, and you just swore again.
Behind us, more.
Oh, I see him.
Hello.
No, let me activate my armor. Oh, I nearly have more.
Up here,
No! Oh!
I'm gonna try the officer.
Oh, thank God you're not a naked officer.
Now, we can't let a bunch of clankers destroy our ship, can we?
I've got one attempt.
We can do this, Ben. We can do this. Let's do this. Clone Commandos. Let's do this, stabby pokey. I'm sorry. I get too excited sometimes. I just get the opportunity to use my knife and I just go. I'm sorry.
Nice. Go.
I see him. Nade launcher out. Oh no, is that Darth Maul jumping into the door and then like literally falling? Darth Maul's coming through, I think he's about to come through.
You want to reconsider your action.
I hit someone.
I think it was Darth Maul because I think he was stood right at the door. Oh, Anakin's going out there. Oh no, it's Count Dooku. Oh, they're both out there, that's why. Oh, it's Count Dooku and Bosk. Oh, okay. I've been thinking that's Darth Maul the entire time. Yeah, I see him.
And the Droidica.
It's a droidica. Oh dear. Get him, lads.
Hello, boss.
Aha, I got the droidica.
Leave me alone!
I didn't have a droidica. I'm proud, I got 2 droidicas.
Just a matter of time before they're back to take another shot.
Yes, Sen Obi-Wan. Let's do this.
Okay, I've got many kills. Well, in this part anyway. Let's change that.
Hello there.
I just had an Obi-Wan go, hello there, while I'm driving.
Please look where you're going. Semis are sending in transports. Don't let them get on board.
Obi-Wan, out of my way!
Oh no, I'm not brave enough for politics.
Literally in my way right now, causing me to not miss my shots. Apparently they're hitting you.
We've got to go to transport.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna die. Where am I being shot from?
Transports.
Oh, I got someone! Oh, this works. This works. Oh, wait, hang on a minute.
Hostiles are halfway done boarding.
No! Die.
They're almost done boarding.
That's it, I'm dead. They're already at the reactor. That's a good sign. That's always a good sign. Oh dear. Oh dear, look at them, cheeky mofos. Look at them. That's it. Oh no.
We've lost the ship. Evac immediately.
That's match over. We lost, boys. That's defeat. On that note, I'm going to end the video here. Like and subscribe for more weekly content like this, and drop me a comment and tell me what you thought of the video. Bye-bye!